In this lesson, we will explore the design panel. Navigate to the global panels on the left side of the interface. Locate the paint palette icon. This is the design panel. Click on it to open the panel view. To get started, we need to activate the design panel for our current project by clicking the Activate button. The design panel allows you to centrally manage the global styling of your project. This includes defining global colors, setting up typography rules, and configuring framework variables, like these bootstrap options for controlling text size and grid spacing. Now let's look at a fun and creative feature called Surprise Me. Go ahead and click the button. Pinegrow instantly fetches a random image from Unsplash to serve as a thematic base for your design. You can customize this source by opening the settings. Here you can choose to load images from a local folder on your computer, or provide a search query to target the specific style of images you are interested in. What makes this really powerful is that it automatically extracts primary and secondary colors directly from the image. If we uncheck Only use the image for colors, the selected image is also applied as the background for the body element, or any other selector you have defined. I quite like this design, so let's save this iteration. Click the plus icon at the top to create a new design variant. Now let's try something specific. In the query field, type Pine. Click Surprise Me again to generate a fresh look based on this keyword. We now have a completely different style featuring pine trees with colors automatically adapted to match. We can fine-tune the background further by expanding the Filters section. For instance, let's dial down the opacity. This allows us to put just a subtle hint of the image in the background, mixing it with the background color. This is a great way to prototype, but remember, you can always manually tweak individual colors and fonts right here in the panel. Because we created a new design earlier, we can easily switch back and forth between our different versions. This makes it incredibly convenient to compare variations and decide which aesthetic works best for your project.